Hello, this is the Rankin roving reporter here with Brad Francis, owner of Certified Performance Auto Repair out here in Moscow Mills, Missouri. So, Brad, why don't you tell us a little bit about your high school experience?
My high school experience, I was a pretty good student. I just hated going. So by the time I got to the end of my high school career, I was pretty much missing more school than I was attending, and was sat down and told that if I missed any more, I wouldn't be able to graduate. So that's kind of where I ended. I just did not like going to school anymore. I was over it. I was done. I was looking for something else. I was already working in an automotive repair shop. Knew that was kind of the path I wanted to take, and school just did not excite me at all.
So then you went to Rankin, and what changed?
Rankin was a complete change for us. So when I got to Rankin, it was partial classroom time, which even the classroom was different than what high school had been. But the hands-on, actually going down in the shop and learning, that clicked with me. And I went from missing so much school that I wasn't going to graduate to perfect attendance. So a pretty big turnaround for us.
Great. So why did you choose Rankin to start with?
So Rankin, they actually had a presence in our high school, very light presence at that time, but the shop that I worked in, the owner, and I'd say probably 4 out of the 5 mechanics had all graduated from Rankin. So I'd had a little bit of a background and kind of seen that, the owner of the company went to Rankin. So if he could do it, why couldn't I?
Yeah. So you graduated, you got a job doing auto repair like what you always wanted to do, but then you somehow ended up here. How did you end up being your own business owner?
Yeah, I had what they call an entrepreneurial seizure, where I saw what I was doing, and because of what I had learned at Rankin, I was able to pretty much do everything. And that, coupled with the experiences I had learned at the shop, the independent repair shop I worked at during Rankin, I knew how to take care of customers, and I had the technical background from Rankin to work on cars. So I decided to go out on my own, and 17 years later, here we are.
Awesome. So tell us a little about your business.
So we're a general automotive repair, and we repair both foreign and domestic cars, light-duty trucks, and diesels. We do a lot of drivability concern work, emissions repairs, but pretty much we want to be our one-stop shop for our customers. We can do just about anything on any car.
Great. Tell us a little bit about your facility then. Like what kind of...
So we're in Moscow Mills, a little bit rural. We're in the back of an industrial court, so we are more of a destination location. We don't have big highway frontage or anything like that, but our philosophy has always been word of mouth. We treat people right, they tell other people about us, and that served us pretty well. So
Great.
We've got an 8-bay shop here, and we stay pretty busy.
Awesome. So that's Brad Francis here at Certified Performance Auto Repair, Certified Performance Auto Repair, Moscow Mills. Thanks for your time, Brad. Appreciate it.
Thank you.